Welcome to Home Food Best Food. Click on the red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest recipes. Today's recipe is mango coconut water jelly. Mango coconut water jelly is delicious, healthy, cruelty-free, appealing addition to a tray of holiday goodies, an appreciated contribution to an office party, or a sweet gift for Valentine's Day, all wrapped up in paper and bowl. This jelly is made up of just 3 or 4 ingredients: real fruit, that is mango, coconut water, sweetener, that is sugar, and agar agar, that is the setting agent. Simple fruit jellies can be made using almost any juice. Try making a few different varieties to serve together. Also experiment with different shapes and with rolling the jelly in sugar or leaving them plain. Let's start the recipe. Add 1 cup of mango juice. This juice is made using 1 cup of chopped mangoes and 1/4 cup of water. Cook this on the low flame. Next, add 3 tablespoons of sugar. And mix it well. Next, add 2 tablespoons of agar agar. Keep stirring using a spoon. Cook until the agar agar completely dissolves in the mixture. Don't overcook. It might take just 2 to 3 minutes. Look at the consistency, how thick the mixture is. Let's prepare the mold to set these agar agar jellies. I'm adding 2 to 3 drops of vegetable oil onto the small cups and coating them well with the oil. Pour the mango mixture into these cups. Fill only half of the cup because we're going to fill the other half of the cup with coconut water, and let it set in the refrigerator for an hour. Next, add 1 cup of coconut water to a saucepan. Just add 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of agar agar, and mix it well. Cook until agar agar dissolves. Pour the coconut water mixture into the cups. Let me show you one of the cups, how well it is set. Pour the remaining mixture into these cups. Place in the refrigerator for an hour. Now you can see these jellies are completely set. Slightly squeeze the plastic mold to create an air gap. Once the air enters the gap, it helps in unmolding of the jellies. Repeat the same process with other 2 molds. Now you can see this coconut water and mango jelly is completely set. They are so jiggly wiggly. You can store them in an airtight container and place in the refrigerator. It stays fresh up to a week. These jellies are easy treat to make for your kids. You can be assured that there are no additives with this easy 3-ingredient recipe that uses only real fruit, a sweetener, and agar agar, which is a vegetarian substitute of gelatin.